Hey fans, welcome back to Master. I'm Rajubir, and in today's video, we are going to talk about a cool trick that lets you uncrop your image using AI for free. कभी किसी फोटो को थोड़ा एक्सटेंड करने का मन हुआ? आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ exactly कैसे आप ये कर सकते हो using Phot.ai. Sounds cool, right? Let's get it started. To uncrop images, we are going to use an amazing tool called Phot.ai. It's super easy, it's free, and the AI does all the hard work for you. So let's go step by step. First, head over to Phot.ai. Link description में मिल जाएगा. So no need to remember it right now. ये देखो, clean और simple interface. This is exactly what we need. Now click on upload image and select the image जिसको आपको uncrop करना है. Make sure it's the one you want to add some space to. Once it's uploaded, Phot.ai will analyze the image and in just a few seconds you are good to go. अब आप canvas का size adjust कर सकते हो. Phot.ai allow you to add extra space to your image by expanding the sides, top or bottom. It's all depends on where you want more space. For example, if you need more background on the sides of a portrait, just extend the sides. Or for a landscape shot, you can stretch the top or bottom. Easy, right? Once you are adjusted the canvas, hit generate and let Phot.ai work its magic. And the AI will analyze your image and create a seamless extension, filling in the new space perfectly. And just like that, in just a few seconds, आपकी uncropped image ready है. Finally, click on download to save your image. You now have a perfectly uncropped and extended image, all thanks to AI. Quick pro tip: if your image has a simple background like nature or patterns, Phot.ai does a great job extending the details. But for complex designs, you might need to tweak it a bit, so don't be afraid to experiment. And that's it. That's how you uncrop your image for free using Phot.ai. It's quick, it's easy, and you don't need any expensive software. Whether you are a designer, a content creator, or just love photo editing, this tool is perfect for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to AI Master for more AI tool and tricks, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. Until then, keep creating amazing content with AI. Bye.